get into it. Even if one person is motivated today from this program that this is something I want to stay away from, this is something my friends should stay away from, my family should stay away from, I think our job is done. The biggest and the most important participants of this program today is nobody except you, the students. Why? Because I think, and I feel, and I have a lot of conviction in this, that you are the ambassadors of change in every which way you look at it. When you go home today, शाम को जब आप डिनर के लिए बैठो, आपके हो सकता है छोटे भाई बहन हो सकता है बड़े भाई बहन हो सकता है कजन्स हो, माँ बाप होंगे आपके, हो सकता है किसी के फ्रेंड्स हो. एक बार घर जाके थोड़ा डिस्कस करिएगा कि आज हमारे कॉलेज में आज हम एक जगह गए थे जहाँ पे डिस्कशन था ड्रग डी एडिक्शन पे, ड्रग अब्यूज़ पे, और हमने आज ये चंद चीज़ें सीखी कि हमने ये सीखा कि जो हम एंटीबायोटिक्स खुद से खाते हैं दैट इज़ अ फॉर्म ऑफ ड्रग अब्यूज़, जो हम खुद से दवाइयाँ लेते हैं दैट इज़ अ फॉर्म ऑफ ड्रग अब्यूज़. कोई जो खुद से वो ऐसे मज़े के लिए वो यंग वो 17-18 साल की उस एनर्जी में सिगरेट ट्राई करने बैठा, he or she, that particular person should know that this is a starting point of probably drug abuse at some point. एक बार घर पे बैठ के डिस्कस करिएगा कि आज हमने ये सीखा कि ये क्यों खतरनाक है ये सब ड्रग अब्यूज़ एंड ऑल. If you're able to do that, trust me, the real benefit of this program lies in that particular discussion that you'll have with your friends, with your family, with your brothers, with your sisters and everybody. There is a myth generally जो हम generally accept करते हैं. myth क्या है? Generally accept करते हैं कि probably drug abuse is not so prevalent in females, but in fact if you look at the statistics, if you look at the general scenario that is prevailing, a lot of females are actually involved in drug abuse. So it is something that has not left the males, it has not left the females, it is something that has transcended gender. So because I see a lot of female students here, so please go home and tell them that this is a problem and this is what we need to tackle. Otherwise, the future of our young generation, it's in peril. आप लोग देखिए आजकल के दौर में we often blame mobiles, we often blame internet for this, that and everything, right? But it is also a potent of force for good. आप देखिए आज के दौर में आप इंटरनेट पे क्या चीज़ अचीव नहीं कर सकते. If you want a job, you can get a job. You want an online degree, you can get an online degree. You want to learn something, you can learn it in a jiffy. आप AI के दौर में देखिए कितना improvement हुआ है in terms of knowledge access, in terms of everything that you want to do. You want to have fun on internet, you want to study, you want to gain employment, everything. It is super accessible these days.